Good morning, I am chefvary from Florence, Tuscany. I'm here for explain you how you can make one of the most important dish, Panzanella. We are cooking school in Florence and always we make the streaming live cooking class. Today I want to explain you how it's easy make this famous and simple dish, very summer dish. Just 5 simple ingredients from our land: bread, basil, onion, cucumber, and tomatoes for one of the most famous and healthy dish that we have from Tuscany. The first important step is bread. Bread from Tuscany, it's one bread, very rustic and completely without salt. This is the difference with any other bread. Why it's without salt? We have a legend that explain you why, but it's a legend. Probably it's because the tax for the salt became very high about 500 years ago. This bread is very thick and you can see that it's made only with one flour and simple yeast. That's it. Onion. I love to use this onion. This onion, honestly, it's not very local, but it's so sweet. Cucumber and very ripe tomatoes. We put our bread in the water, we soak with the vinegar. It's a red vinegar and absolutely a lot of extra virgin olive oil. We cut some slice. You add a little bit vinegar in your cold water. You put your bread inside and wait that becomes soft. In the same time, you start to chop a mix of your vegetables. Very ripe tomatoes, you cut in small pieces. The quantity is not important, depends how much you like. I love tomatoes, so I add a little bit more than what honestly need. You put here. Cucumber. Normally we take off the skin of cucumber and because it's very bitter. Buy very fresh cucumber, so very hard. And the same concept for tomatoes. Add how much you like and cut very fine. And see, this way. We are fast. This is one dish that you can make real 5 minutes before then take lunch or dinner. And onion. This onion, it's incredible sweet. You can see fabulous white inside and red outside. You cry a little bit. Onion, the same concept. If you like strong or not strong, very fine. I don't like too much. I prefer mild flavor. So I add. It's like if you make one rich salad. I love using it. I take a lot of basil, tons of basil, and I like the basil chopped in big pieces. Remember to wash before your basil because it's better when it's not wet. You can see now our basic salad is done. But the most important thing arrives now. We take the bread and we squeeze very well our bread. You can see this bread. You can't do panzanella with another bread. Don't use ciabatta, don't use baguette. This is the authentic panzanella. Now when I finish, you can see it's fabulous. Melt. The last step, extra virgin olive oil. A lot of extra virgin olive oil. Salt. This is one of the most easy, famous old dish that we have in Tuscany. Now you can present your dish like this. So I'll show you what you can do. Simple. You can put in the middle. You squeeze. Okay, like this. In the middle. We add on top our tomatoes. We finish with some pieces of fresh basil. And this is panzanella. 5 ingredients for make your dish fantastic. Buon appetito!